Oh, my guy's here. This pop shoot guy. Yeah, so we're really just out here. Welcome to this here video. Hey! What the fuck are you doing, bud? Oh yeah, I should unlock the shop. How's it going? Hey. Who the hell's Nissan is that?
That's my rental.
Dude, check this out.
This Nissan?
Forge Piston guys. Huh? Yeah. Rental. I was like, who in the heck? I must unlock shop. Oh, this shit was zoomed in AF. Why'd you cry?
I think you said it was unlocked.
No, I said okay, and I just didn't come through. So yeah, if no one knows yet. Wait, you didn't post the video, did you?
What video?
Oh, you didn't even post part 2 of the exhaust.
No, I'm way behind.
So guys, we're doing something on this, so you know, keep an eye out for this guy eventually.
Yeah, be like a week.
A week?
Today's the 24th, so
Where?
But I got these Gordons on books. Okay, so now we're doing fully built Prelude things today. Mall gold pistons, rods. There's a truck coming into the thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys saw these here. We're gonna put these to use today. Right now, you didn't see this here. So here's my rings. Here's my wrist pins. Careful with those. Here's my circ clips. And here's the pistons, right? Who would have ever thought fully built H22 forged all the things? Everything freaking forged today, guys. Right, so here I have this, these and these. All right, so Mall or Molly, I don't know how the hell you say it. They make forged pistons for these things. They're nice. Here's a comparison to a stock piston. Not that way. Sorry, that way. You can see side by side. They're pretty similar, but these are cast aluminum, these are forged, as you can see. Someone asked me what compression ratio I went with. I don't know what any of that means down there. Oh, that's when they were made. They were made this year. They were made February 4th, 19. Those are my Pistons' birthdays. Right? This whole set was. So these are 10-to-1 compression, which is like half, because I think H22s come stock with 10.5.1, I think. This motor I have here, engine, is a JDM H22, which some people say have 11-to-1, but I don't think that's correct. I think they're all 10.5.1, so 10-to-1 compression. I don't want friggin' some 8-to-1 or 9-to-1 friggin' pistons because I want my car to actually have low end. Yeah, so forged. This is how you make the powers. And the Mall pistons, the golds, have this Teflon weird infused skirt thing that makes them safe for FRM blocks. And right on here it tells you the piston wall clearance and all that shit, so you know, there's no guessing, alright? Just gotta measure. That's all you gotta do. Measure and maybe hone, but I doubt it because these are made for stock block H22s. And the FRM sleeves are not weak. People just, they don't know that there's options for pistons for them. So, yeah, Don farted. Isn't that fucking hilarious? Don's in an asshole mood today.
What?
Everyone go to Don's Instagram and call him a fucking asshole.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding. Don't actually call him an asshole. But yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is, getting these into one piece. And then we're going to come over to the block, flip it over on this piece of wood probably, take it apart, and get it ready to be dropped off tomorrow to get the block decked. And then after that, it's just freaking assembly and drop the bitch in the car. Hopefully this works out. So here's my bendy boy, and I'm using this as an example. So this is what I'm going by. The tang on the bearing tang on the rod faces the exhaust side of the piston. The exhaust side of the piston is on the stock ones. It says right here in, as in intake, in PCB. As everyone knows, it's a popular acronym for exhaust. So that's the way it goes. Bearing tang faces the other way. Bearing tangs here, they gonna face small valves. See? As you can see, every bearing tang facing the same way. All the big valves facing to the right of me. So these are on right. Just want this to be documented. No reason. Just want it to be documented. Right? I'm even using a piece of lint-free towel to put these on because I'm really legit at building engines. I don't know how to put these septum piercings in correctly. Do I look punk rock enough?
Yeah.
Do I look like a troubled young sad girl, e-girl? Is there a way I put them in?
Yeah.
Great.
Does this orientation have to be a certain way? Or does it not matter?
Well,
Like
it's
where
gonna
they go?
wiggle and jiggle around in there, but for peace of mind, I always put them so they're either facing
The
down
opposite,
or up.
right?
Because when your pistons are going up and down, it's gonna go like this, and this might go squeeze and open. I doubt it. Probably won't happen, but
I don't need this happening to me again.
no. I usually put them like that.
Just facing straight down?
Yeah.
Okay.
like that.
I didn't know. I didn't know if you put them opposite of the this little jammy right here or not, but I ain't gonna flex. But like Ronnie just straight finessed all these clips. Put me on the spot. I don't want to put myself on the spot and people think that I did it, dude. Fuck that.
That's right.
Ronnie done
Fucking they're
finesse all
pain in the
this.
ass.
They were hard, dude. Right? The stock clips I got out. Like, all right, I'm gonna get this stock clip out for you right now. No problem.
Oh shit.
So yeah. Now they are shiggity wiggity.
10 more minutes.
That's it. Nice, done. Now
Donut in your car on the parking lot.
You won't.
it would, but I'm leaking a little fuel right now.
Oh yeah, don't. Yeah. Remember that last time in the warehouse when shit was just dumping fuel?
Oh my god, the first shop
Oh yeah.
when it literally just fucking pissed all over the ground.
Yeah, we were too excited to even notice that spilling, and it was just like
Pissing
Oh,
straight up
flood.
fucking puddle. I literally squeegeed it out.
yeah. If
Right.
it backfired, we've been all over.
I think it did. It did backfire.
I can't believe it didn't go
A
up.
flame fucking came out of it, dude.
Everybody's like, dude, you just fucking watched the fuel coming out of it? Bro, we were just excited that the fucking car was running and
yeah.
ripping.
And then it like drove forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Sorry I didn't see the fuel.
I mean, nothing bad came of it. Nothing bad could come of it if it happened again.
Well,
either,
if it
so.
did, it would be fucking cool for fucking video.
Yeah.
Lightning will
Finally got my
flash.
Z moving, and then it burns to the ground, like everything else.
Like,
Well, now I'm gonna turn this piece of shit upside down and friggin' take things off of it because these pistons gotta go.
you want to drop that off at the machine shop tomorrow?
Yeah, I had one job. I haven't been filming. There's a bunch of shit in here. Looks like 50 timing belts friggin' blew up in this, but that's okay because everything's getting friggin' cleaned out and degreased and all that such and whatnots. This right here, basically the bolt that holds the, yes, the bolt that holds these nuts in there snapped off, but it wasn't seized, so I don't know how that happened, but it did. So I got this flipped over and such. One thing to note, this engine does not have the ARP studs on the rods. Well, actually, rather, this one does have studs. The ARP ones are the rod bolts, which are the 12.10 mils. These are 12 mils, I believe. All right, got those out. Main cap should come out. Keep all these in order. Main bearings look perfect. This is very good news. Oh man, they look really fucking good. Thank God. All right, man. We'll put that right there. I'll clean that all off before reinstallation. Oh man, that's good fucking news right there, guys.
All right, here we go.
There's the crank. That's a heavy bitch. Come back here. Look at that. All the journals. Check out, film the journals right quick. All of them crispy. No freaking scoring on any of them. So, whenever Don films, let's do this extra. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? I'll film the block. I don't care about me. This is for me and this is future me. Alright. So the block had the transmission facing to my left if the oil filter's pointing me. And these are the bearings in order, are going to be left to right on the table. Future me. Look back on this video. Alright, so I have a bunch of bullshit over here that I'm not going to really need. Most of it I'm not reusing. Well, the bolts obviously I will. But, yeah, so I'm putting my new oil pump on this when it comes back from the shop. Everything's there. Like I said, guys, let me know whether or not I should delete the oil squirters, because I know it'll cool down the pistons and stuff, but also I know I'll pick up some oil pressure. So let me know if that's more of a track thing or if that's like I should just do it because it's a stupid thing. My boy Jesus is buying these stock pistons and rods because he's just NA boy and these are fine for him. And it doesn't hurt to have extras. I told him, I don't know, $100 you can have them. So $100 for these. Here's stock versus what I'm working with. Big difference. You guys get the deal. So yeah, those are gonna go. Crank's good. No spun bearings, like I said. All the bearings are in order on the girdle. We're Gucci. So yeah, that's everything that we have going on here. Can't really film much else. Yeah, so like I said, crank pistons, new pistons and rods. I'm really excited about these because, you know, they hold some friggin' internal bang bangs, so that'll be tight. And I obviously got the new bearings, this and that, such and what, but everything is good. I'm glad. The thing I was most worried about is, like, I didn't know, because Randy, the dude who gave me all this stuff, didn't know for sure. Like, he never took the block apart, obviously, so he's like, I think it's good. I bought it for the crank. You'll just have to see, I guess. And luckily, yeah, or for the head, whatever, but same shit. But like I said, I won't have to do anything on this because, you know, if there was a bent rod or a spun bearing or anything like that, yeah, definitely would have to get this thing, you know, checked out, but she's mint. Maybe I'll get her checked out just in case. Yeah, I'll probably just give it to the guy, have him balance check it, but it'll probably come out good. Alright, so that's everything right there. There's really nothing else more to say about that. And we got the block in Don's car. It's time to freaking lock up. Don has to go buy Call of Duty. I have to go edit. So that is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I probably wasn't in screen there. What was the other one? Subscribe if you haven't.
Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good night.
I already said all that, but alright, I'll just leave the whole thing in.